Hi, I'm Aaron from 2H Media, and in this video, I want to talk about why the only platform we use to build online stores is Shopify. In short, we understand that your online store needs to be user-friendly and professional looking, and Shopify will get you there in a hurry. Shopify offers everything a business needs to create a successful online store. Not only is it easy to use, even for those with limited technical experience, but it also offers a wide variety of customizable theme and design options to ensure that your store looks both professional and unique to your business. Shopify also offers powerful tools for processing payments, managing inventory, and tracking sales so that your online store can scale with your business. Going off script for a minute, I also just really like Shopify as a developer. I've used a ton of platforms over the years, and Shopify is the only one that consistently impresses me with the new features that they release every single year. Particularly their Online Store 2.0 update, which we released a ton of videos on a while back. This was an absolute game changer in terms of what we could do with the platform, and I just haven't seen a leap like that out of a software provider. Normally when they ship an update, or when an average company ships an update, you have all these new features to play around with that aren't necessarily useful and put the things you're used to in different places or limit functionality. With Shopify, that hasn't been the case. Bar none, this has been my favorite piece of software to work with in my career as a developer. Anyways, at 2H Media, we believe Shopify is the best e-commerce platform around, and that's why it's the only one we use. If you're thinking of building an online store or thinking of moving your online store to Shopify, give us a call. We'd love to have a chat and learn more about your goals. Book a strategy call with one of our experts, and we'll take the time to get to know your business, develop a plan that makes sense for you, and answer your burning questions so that you can move forward with confidence. If that sounds impactful, then book a strategy call. And in the meantime, thanks for watching.